Forky. 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 Hi. Hi, Natalie. We just chased hailstorms and windstorms and rainstorms and a giant rainbow at the end. But we did not find any gold. Because the poor leprechaun didn't know what he was doing.
Just unicorns that poop glitter.
And puff butterflies.
Yes, only in our world.
I need some Tums. Because I got heartburn. Do you understand? Heartburn.
My head hurts so bad. Oh my god, I've already
Do you know
taken
they
that freaking
say-
pill. I don't even care what happens to me.
When you have heartburn, that means your baby has a lot of hair.
It does. Do you...
And so I think I'm pregnant.
Wow.
And I think it's a very hairy baby. I hope it's not Bigfoot's.
I hope it's a girl.
Yo,
Girls are supposed to have lots of hair on their
must
heads.
be Italian then. I mean, sorry, Mom.
Oh my god.
My brother was stationed in Italy in the Navy, and he came back and saying Italian girls have like these big fur balls under their armpits.
Oh god.
Yeah. That's why he was about to marry a Scottish girl, not an Italian.
Gotcha.
All the Italians must have a lot of heartburn then.
Apparently. You know,
Oh, look at the corn.
I didn't have very much heartburn with Taylor, but I had a lot of heartburn with Sienna. And Taylor was much hairier than Sienna was.
Elizabeth was bald.
And I mean like body hair. Neither one of them had much hair on their heads. They were bald little babies up until they were almost a year old.
What the hell are those things?
I don't know. Silos, maybe? Partial? I don't know.
Beer steins?
Kegs. For a massive party.
Giant
Oh my
kegs.
god.
Yeah, that will supply all of UMass for a day.
Right.
Drunk ass kids.
That's a creepy little cemetery.
Yep. That's the name of it. Creepy Cemetery.
Is it really? I'm gonna say no way. That's as weird as Salem, whatever it is.
Creepy. Hey, you want to buy a house down there?
It's down there.
Creepy little house.
Really?
Near a
Does it
creepy little
stand?
cemetery.
I don't care. I'm not afraid of cemeteries.
Huh?
I'm not afraid of cemeteries. I used to help my mom and dad take care of the cemetery.
Well, this is a big ass hill. You see the big ass crack in the road?
No. But I hit a lot of big ass holes this morning.
Well, welcome to Massachusetts.
I know, I thought it was Michigan for a minute there.
We're so bad.
Oh man. It was almost a nightmare. Went to bed in Massachusetts, woke up in Michigan. Oh crap!